Quick question. What's in the top row of your best collection right now? If it's sold out sizes and slow movers, that's your most valuable real estate, wasted. Dynasort is AI merchandising for Shopify. Build sorting recipes from dozens of data points you won't find in built-in sorting. Sales velocity, margin, size runs, reviews, even metafields. Your collections resort as often as every 10 minutes. Flash sale, restock, viral moment, your store keeps up, automatically. Don't forget, search. Shoppers who search are your most ready-to-buy visitors, but default results rank by text match alone, blind to your sales, your stock, your margins. Dynasort re-ranks instant search and search pages with the same engine, so your strongest products meet your strongest intent. Recommendations too. Multiple placements, product page to post-purchase. Multiple algorithms, bought together, trending, high-value picks. One brain, every surface. Even your size and color swatches get sorted. Out of stock moves to the back of the line. We'll prove it. Built-in analytics show what every collection, recipe, and product earns. And true A/B testing tells you exactly what your merchandising is worth. No more guessing. Your store already knows its winners. Dynasort puts them where shoppers actually look. Try it free for 30 days. Your top row will thank you.